Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. This is my series. It's 21 Days to a Happier, More Attractive You. And today we're going to talk about octaves of thought. I'm going to explain it almost like a ladder. And when you go up, you don't want to slip back on down. I'm going to tell you how you can make those slips and what to do about it. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, please like it. But let's go ahead and get started. So here we are, day 16, and I'm going to talk about what's called octaves of thought. And when you're doing this work, when you're meditating, you're visualizing, you're reading inspirational things, that brings happiness into your life. But there are different steps on the way to that happiness, and that's kind of what I'm going to go over. And what I want you to think of it is almost like a little ladder where you go up. This is happiness, complete happiness, joy. This is crime. So you can see there's a lot of variation in there. So I'm going to go over what they are, so we know what the different steps in this ladder is. So we have crime, hate, anger, judgment, and criticism. Now those all could bring you down, down, down. When you come to the next four, that is when you enter into the light. That will make you more attractive and bring you happy. So what are the top four? The top four are toleration, joy, love, and perfect happiness. So all the things you're doing here in these 21 days is bringing you up, up, up that ladder. But you can go down that ladder too. How? Judgment and criticism. Judgment and criticism are a reaction of the ego. And that's what you have to be careful of. When you judge another, when you criticize another, you are strengthening that trait in yourself. And that could make you slide down that ladder. And why do we do it again? Because the ego wants to be right. And you have to think, do you want to be right or do you want to be at peace? Do you want to aim for this happiness or do you want it to bring you down with criticism and judgment? Because really that's up to you. We're doing the exercises to stay in the I am presence, that inner self that is perfect happiness. And you're learning to access that. But with a simple thing, criticism or judgment, you're going to go right on down because that's your ego talking. That is not your true self. So my little activity for you today is to start becoming aware. From awareness comes change. So be aware when you criticize somebody, when you judge somebody. Maybe even take a little notebook and write it down. You might be surprised how much you do it in a day. And try and refrain from it. And when you do it, because not perfect, I want you to think, I wish that person well. I bless that person. I wish that person well when the criticism or judgment comes up. So if you have any questions about this, write it in the comments. But remember, keep going up the ladder. Don't let criticism and judgment have you go back down, because you'll do a step forward and that will have you take 2 steps back. And you want to keep going forward to attain that perfect happiness. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Remember, sharing is caring, but I'll see you tomorrow for day 17.